Tree cutting looks easy, right up until it isn't. From near misses to total disasters. Here we go. This guy's reaction says it all.
Le pire qui arrivait.
Ton char, man?
Non, je pense pas.
I don't think this tree company will ever financially recover from this.
There comes the car.
Oh my.
Look.
This is why you hire a professional arborist instead of doing it yourself. You gotta respect that he held on. These guys tried to pull the tree away from the house and failed miserably. This is exactly why cutting down dead trees is more dangerous. This guy saw it coming, had so many chances to escape, and still got smoked. When you get to a certain age, you stop caring about safety.
Get out of the way. No, that's the wrong way.
This guy ran into the one spot that would get him flattened like a pancake. It was all fun and games until it wasn't.
We got motherfucking Tarzan! Oh, God!
$30 an hour to do this job seems criminal.
Ay, Dios santo. La verga.
Don't hire off Craigslist.
Somebody killed me.
Boy, you can't get no better than this. You can't get no better than that, baby.
This could have easily been fatal. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt. Having a safety harness and tying off saved this guy's life. Here's what happens when you don't wear a safety harness.
Oh, they're not chainsaw. Oh, no.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, no. Oh, goddamn.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? $20? No, too much money. He's no good operator. He's not doing nothing.
This is why you don't try to pull a giant tree down with a tow line. Well, at least the tree didn't fall on the house. Watch this massive boulder tumble down this mountain and take down a ton of trees like they weren't even there. Look at this rare footage of the exact moment lightning strikes a tree.
A crash has been detected. Honda Link Assist.
This has to be some of the worst luck possible. There wasn't even a storm, and he somehow got hit by a tree.
So we think this thing is tapped into a city water line. There's a crack right in the middle of the tree, and there's a fire hydrant under all this debris right here, about 15-20 feet away. So we're pretty sure that this thing is just leaking. You know, the roots have tapped into that city water line. You just don't see pressure like that. Not in the desert. In Arizona, there's not groundwater for that kind of thing. That's a water line of some sort.
This is what happens when you knock down a tree full of pollen. Try not to sneeze. This was his first day on the job. I don't think his boss was very happy.
I'll leave you for 5 minutes. What have you done?
This tree cutter kept his cool and finished the job. Respect. This just shows you how Mother Nature can cause a forest fire in a blink of an eye. This is how hillbillies do tree removal.
Go ahead, crank. Don't stop cranking. Here it comes, don't stop. Ooh. Ah. I'm good. Oh. Yeah.
Things can still go wrong for experienced tree cutters with all the right equipment and execution.
I'm good. Yeah, that hurt. Ah. Yeah, that got me pretty good.
This guy purposely destroyed this home while cutting this tree down. He must hate the owner because he even flexed on them afterwards.
Oh, no, 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 no.
This video is for the boys.
Yeah, yeah. Hit the tree.
I don't know if that's such a... Oh God.
You're a
Whenever you see guys pulling ropes attached to the tree, you know it's going to be bad.
There we go. It's coming down. It's coming down. This guy. There it goes.
Drive, hit it!
Sometimes trees are animals' homes. This tree was this raccoon's home right to the very end.
Run!
Watch this ancient redwood tree get cut down due to its increasing danger to the road. This video shows you the danger of not watering your Christmas tree.
So here's our health.
In 30 seconds, you could have a serious house fire. This video shows what happens when squirrels use a tree as their toilet for years.
Top of this really what turned out to be a toilet for multi-generations of squirrels, perhaps. Got it rocking up here. That is disgusting. We had a big gusher on this last one, and it looks like it keeps going. Fun times. Just when you thought you were going to wear these clothes for the rest of the day, nature had other plans.